Hi guys, today we will make Jagannath Ji's face Rakhi for Raksha Bandhan. So first I have already cutted eyes and all the details with this paper. You can cut that as well. Now I will take black pipe cleaner to make a circle the face. I have already twisted the pipe cleaner before the video. You can see the process in my other videos as well. I have shared it there. You have to make two circles. One will be in the front and the other will be in the back. After completing the circle, we will make petals of the flower. So we need one pipe cleaner, orange color. We will cut that into 4 parts. And the other pipe cleaner, we will cut that into 2 parts. Then we will bend it a bit and we will put all the 3 parts which we have cut in smaller size. After making all the 6 petals, now we will join them together as a flower. You can twist and join them, and after joining them like this, then you have to use the Fevicol, because eventually you have to use Fevicol to make them stick harder. Now we will place both the circles, one in front, another in back. After making all the things with pipe cleaner, we will add eyes and detailings of the face 2 diamonds as well. This you can make out of paper cutting. You might have white paper or red paper, maybe tissue type paper. Might have this color papers at your home, or you can draw them with color pencils. In this video, I have used simple yarn as a door, but you can use something more fancy, something with beads, so that it will look more presentable and nice. So you can change that accordingly. That's it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you want to see other parts of this Rakhi, the one in white or maybe in skin color, then you can comment down below. I might make one if the response is nice. Thank you so much. Please do make this Raksha Bandhan.